Hi, I'm Luke from Recce Works, and today we're going to be making the CLOG tool pouch. The things you'll need: stiff material, we're using UVX40 and UV21, some 10mm webbing, some 15mm webbing, 4mm bungee, and a toggle. And your printouts, which are available for download on the blog, linked in the description below. Now we've got our printouts done, we're going to cut out all our materials. Now that we have all the materials cut out, the first thing we're going to do is sew the toe end of the clog, including the 10mm material. So, over to the machine. So this is why we've cut the 45 degrees, so we can get it nice and tight on our pencil mark in here. And also on our second pencil mark, which is just here. So to fold this, we're folding it once here. Because we've gone over here, we're going to go under with this one. So it looks like that. And then we cut this corner. And the other side. Pencil mark, same folding. Cut the bottom one here. Then we'll take it to the headdresses. The next thing we're going to do is sew this seam flat onto here, but we turn it inside out for that. Same thing on the other side. And we'll take it to the headdresses. The next thing we're going to do is attach these two pieces together. And then we take this piece and attach it onto the heel. We're having the yellow on the outside of the bag. And we're going to sew this way. And we're going to cut this one. And then we pull this one all the way around and under. And don't forget to stop at the center pencil mark here to put in our red webbing. We'll put this here as a reminder. And we're just going to quickly double over this one. And now the yellow comes all the way under. And then we will take it to the hairdressers. And then we're going to put in the reinforcing stitch. And all this gets folded up. This gets folded this way, and this gets folded up. So we need to cut off some of this here to make a neat fold. The pattern already has this cut. The next thing we're going to do is sew on our labels. Next is attach this red up here, making sure it's straight. And the next thing is binding tape all the way around the edge. So we're going to start and stop the binding on the heel, because the more rigidity we can get on this heel, so much the better. I'm going to pre-cut it. And the last thing we're going to do is a red stitch here to hold this in place. And we're giving it a little bump up here, just so easy access. Just a little one. The hairdressers. The very last thing we're going to do is attach the elastic and the toggle.